Since the machine comes with a second set of brushes, these can be stored in the front well of the sealing liquid reservoir. This is particularly useful for an operator after a longer period without use, when they need to quickly get the machine running and are using the sealing function. Dry brushes take time to absorb liquid, and the first several envelopes may not get enough sealing liquid to adequately seal the flap. Being able to switch brushes with a pre-soaked set is a quick and effective remedy to the situation. Let me demonstrate. Unlock the latch and pull up the upper unit. Remove the brushes one by pulling them down from the brush holder. Open the front door. Then pull the reservoir part way out for easier access. Remove the spare brushes from the moistener well one at a time. Wipe the excess moisture off the brushes onto the moistening pad. Then replace the brushes. Make sure that the studs on the brushes are fitted into the corresponding holes in the brush holder. Put the dry brushes back in the reservoir, then slide the reservoir back into the machine until it stops. Close the upper unit and the front door. Always replace the brushes as a complete set in order to assure proper sealing of the envelopes. As a side note, having a paper towel handy will help you to wipe up any drips if they occur. Replacing the moistening cloth is mentioned in the user guide. However, due to the number of detailed steps required to replace it properly, it is recommended that this maintenance item be left for a trained service technician.